What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights on the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe, man. Salute to everybody pulling back up, man. Welcome to my bad brigade. Make sure y'all run the likes up on this video ASAP. Let's get this one to 1,500 likes if you appreciate what we bring into the channel for the Bad Idea AI project. I need y'all to go back, check my last Bad Idea videos, and you'll see all the new holders that are joining, thanks to these videos. So let's push the word out even more by letting the YouTube algorithm know that y'all rock with this type of content, so it's likely to recommend it to other viewers like us. Now, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. YouTube analytics are showing me about half of y'all watching each and every day have yet to subscribe. So take a quick second, double check, triple check, and make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Turn on notifications so you do not miss out on projects like this. I tried to tell y'all, Bad Idea AI will print millionaires. I tried to tell you, connect the dots. Hopefully y'all connected the dots as well. I know a lot of y'all watching right now already thanking me in the comment section. Drop thank you for bad if I put you on Bad Idea AI. Let me know, man. Shout out to y'all. So take a look at this, y'all. This project, we talked about it deleting a zero. It did that. It broke all-time highs several times last night throughout the morning. And I want to show y'all where this project is sitting at right now. But first, let's go through the Twitter page, get caught up on everything over the night. So obviously, by now, Bad Idea AI will be represented at the Blockchain Futures Conference. This is major, y'all. Also, connect the dots. Drop CTD or connect the dots in the comment section if you connecting dots right along with me. There will be a massive catalyst coming up very soon. Now, I'm only about 90 to 95% certain about this, so there's still that 5 to 10% chance that this could not be correct. So keep that in mind. This is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence and never risk more than you're willing to lose. I don't need anybody coming to crying to me, saying, hey, I bought the top price, pull back. But I got something for y'all. For those looking for, a better entry, I'm gonna show you where, the price could likely retrace to. So shout out to Shib Knight, said a masterpiece by Bad Idea AI. Look, everybody waking up to it now. Everybody's waking up, y'all. We gotta wake the people up. Take a look at this. Bad actually exploded after my first. I did 2 videos on Bad yesterday and a live stream. After my first video yesterday, it started to go crazy. After the second video, a lot of people start, wishing they would have got in. They got in, pushed the price even higher. So hopefully y'all did your own due diligence, man. But we went from around 7,200 holders, 7,300 holders to blasting through 7,500 holders, 7,700 holders, and now we're sitting at 7,800 holders, y'all. Salute to everybody rocking with me. I appreciate y'all. So Bad has just reached 7,800 holders and is now ranked 350 overall on CoinMarketCap. 2,200 more for Trust Wallet. ETH Toronto, here we come. Now, this event is the largest crypto-related event in the country of Canada, y'all. So this is not some small scrolly event. This is the real deal. Vitalik was the speaker last year at 2022's conference. I'm assuming he's not on the guest speaker list this year, but I'm assuming he has to make a guest appearance, to surprise everybody. It's ETH Toronto Fest. Why wouldn't he be at the largest conference in the world, basically, for his project? So I'm assuming he might be there. Also, some speculation that Elon Musk might be in the building. That's not financial advice. We're just hoping that he is, because we know, if he is, this can push even further. And not just a Bad Idea project, but also Shib. So another giveaway, Bad, in support of the upcoming Toronto conference and the X Spaces, the Crypto Pulse will be hosting for us on Tuesday. So here's a $300 USDT giveaway. I will be doing a $100 giveaway if this video gets to 1,500 likes. Think about it. This helps all of our bags. A like is absolutely free on the video. It actually helps show your support for the project and helps the project gain more momentum. Remember, this is an organic project, so we need to do every single thing that we can do to help, push the lever to, take this project to new heights. Because you got to understand, there's not a lot of, pumping and dumping and shilling going around with this project. I'm one of the only ones that I really hear on this YouTube level talking about this project. So we got to spread the awareness, wake the people up, let them know that Bad Idea is really a good idea. Drop hashtag good idea in the comment section, man. I really need all y'all to tune in, because the more people that tune in, it pushes the video and lets YouTube know that we like this type of content, and also to share it to similar viewers. And that's very important, because when new viewers are introduced to a project for the first time, if they run across the video, they're likely to become educated on my channel. If they become educated, they're likely to become confident in the project. Confident people usually are able to hold a project longer because they understand it more. They're educated on it. A person that just, seen it somewhere and bought it, if the price starts to dip, they usually paper hand out or maybe panic sell. So having confident, educated investors is very important. Let me know if y'all agree with me in the comment section. So as bad breaks out, the Pope, a well-known crypto investor, has commissioned a marble bad idea AI carving to be installed in the Vatican. Here's a sneak peek of the work. That's dope right there. I don't know how they're pulling that off, but that is absolutely dope to be able to get this logo inside of the Vatican. Everybody has different beliefs or whatever, but just, to do that is that's a flex to me. So Mr. Lightspeed, aka CJ, says another spaces as we review the blockchain futures conference and how things are going. Book calendars now. Make sure you got on notifications for the channel right now. Make sure you check. Go down. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that bell icon and click all so you get all the updates on the bad idea project. You don't want to miss this stuff. I'm telling you. Bad idea broke a 0 LFG. Now, you would have known this if you had already been subscribed to the channel. If you just now tuning in and you aren't subscribed, that's why you didn't notice. So Shiba Pendant says bad is about to break all-time high. I just like that we're able to bring this information to y'all before it's actually posted everywhere. Shout out to Russ, says bad. Oh, how sweet it is. I never like zeros anyway. So you can see project gaining organic traction. That's really what we want to see, because then by the time the masses, catch on, we're already all secure. We got our bags ready to go. And prices go up even higher. So now let's take a look at the chart, see what's likely to happen with bad. Now, obviously this is a new project, so it's really hard to call it until we start to get more data, coming in, but we'll try to work with what we got right here. So first thing, looking at this, what we can do is try to use some of our indicators and see what that tells us. So let's look at our Bollinger Band, see if those will pop up on the day chart. So still too new for the Bollinger Band to pop up on the day chart. Let's see if we can get a moving average, convergence, divergence. Okay, so a lot of these indicators the chart is too new to calculate this data. Let's see if we get a VWAP on the chart, volume weighted average price. Okay, so we can get the VWAP there. You see the VWAP right there. So let's see, this is a good sign. So this is our volume weighted average price. When the price is trading above this green line, the VWAP line, that's usually a bullish indicator that tells us that the price is likely to continue this trend. Now, it doesn't mean it can't retrace shortly, but it's likely to continue this trend. So let's look at this trend and determine where it could be likely ready to pull back at. So what we're going to use for this is our Fibonacci retracement tool. Now, this Fibonacci retracement helps us, this is basically the golden ratio. Everything in life basically has this involved in it some sort of way. You can figure it out, but that's another story. Let's take a look at this. So we're using this Fibonacci retracement tool to try to determine the price is high, and I try to educate my people. I don't want y'all chasing green candles. Now, you can do whatever's best for you. This is not financial advice. If you want to chase green candles, I'm perfectly fine with that. You're just going to push the price higher. But what we likely see happening is people buy the top, prices retrace, and then people get disappointed, or they start calling the project a scam, or they start feeling that crypto isn't for them. It's just you're not doing it the right way. So I like to let the price come to me. I'm definitely going to be buying more. My bags are nice right now, but this is still a new project. As our confidence increases, our bag size sometimes increases well. So let's look at what we have right here. We're seeing price broke out to this level, up to this wick here, before it retraced. Oh, my bad. So price broke up to this level here before it retraced down here, before continuing up to this level, retracing here, before pulling up to this level. So we can look at this, two ways. We can look at it as checking from when the breakout happened. The breakout basically started around this range with this candle. So we can measure from the bottom, the low, to the high point. I want to show you on two different areas just in case, because sometimes it's a little tricky. And this one is not as clear as day. So what we're going to do is grab our fib retracement tool, measure from the low point up to the high point, and that will give us these key areas right here. So a few key areas are the 23.6% range, the 38.2% range, the 50% range, the 61.8% range, and the 78.6% range. So usually what we see is prices, if it's extremely bullish, it'll come tap this 23.6% range and continue. Most times we see it come in the range of this 38.2%, 50%, and the Around the 61.8% is that golden ratio. So usually is where we see prices pull back to is around a 68.1% range. Now, I'm not saying that's going to happen with this, but we're looking for some sort of retracement so that way we are not chasing candles. Also, we look for confirmation as well. You don't want to just use fib retracement. You want to look at things like volume as well, moving averages and whatnot. So you see right here, volume is tapering off. Price has broke out to an all-time high here, so it could continue if there's some type of rally. A lot more people start seeing this video right here and just start buying in. But likely, if we continue at this pace, at this momentum we're seeing, price could possibly pull back around this 23.6% range, which is which is right at that. Let me try to get as accurate as possible, which is at that 1,549 level, and then right around the 38.2 range is that 9,727 range, and then the 50% range is the 9,027 points per coin range, and that 61.8% range is the 8326 level. So usually if it pulls back to the 23 range and starts to take off again, that's bullish. If it hits the 38.2% range and starts to take off again, that's bullish. Even if it hits the 50% range and starts to take off again, that's bullish. Now, when I start to watch, if it hits the 50% range, to me, that has the opportunity of turning into a downtrend as well. So you want to keep that in mind, but it can respect that 50% level and continue. It can also respect the 61.8% level and continue. But what we want to pay attention to, if it breaks down to the 78.6 level, then usually the trend is not likely to continue. It's likely to start going downwards after that until we find some support, and then see what we're going to do from there. So here are a few key buying levels for those that don't want to chase the candles and want to wait for a pullback. Now you have to understand, it's not always guaranteed to pull back. This thing could take right off again, so you got to keep that in mind. What I usually do in these types of situations, if it's a new project that I'm coming to, and it's very, very new and it's breaking out like that, I might establish a position, with a decent small bag, something okay, something nice and light, so I'm still agile. If the price pulls back, I'm able to buy the dip at least 2 to 3 more times because I'm not just throwing everything on it at once. So even if I did want to chase the candle and buy at this level, I still save a little ammunition to buy the dip at least 2 to 3 times. Now, that's just the way I like to do it. You don't have to do it that way, but I just want y'all to start thinking of it in different ways from, what you might know. So remember, there's no one way to do it. There's a lot of different people that do it different ways. You just have to find out what's best for you. So super bullish. This thing is not done anywhere near yet. You got to think about it. Nobody really talking about this. I'm really the only channel that I see talking about it. I don't know if today we might get more people talking about it, but as of now, when I try to do my other due diligence and see what's going on with it, it wasn't much out there. That's why I'm like, okay, we gotta put boots on the ground and really get it in for this project. So that's the bad idea AI update for now. If things begin to move throughout the day, I will keep y'all updated, letting y'all know what's going on. Let me know if y'all appreciate this one. Again, make sure y'all dropped all the hashtags in the comment section. Also, if you're interested in checking out the Shib merch, man, I got the Shib Dad distress cap right here. That's why it looks a little beat up there, but it's the distress version. But we got the clean version as well if you like the nice and smooth merch. Also, it's the first link in the description section, don't forget. But my stock options trading class is this Sunday. If you're interested in joining my class, DM me on Instagram at DecemberDeMarco. Let me know you're interested in joining the class and I'll get you enrolled. Also follow me on Twitter at DecemberDeMarco so you get updates before you see them on the YouTube channel. Appreciate everybody for pulling up. We are out. Almost forgot, share the video as well. Peace.